Bill. Here's the weekly wrap-up for the week of the 26th of September. We did 2 trades this week. The first one was on Monday, which was DRI. It was a long trade. The market was trending up that day, so we took that trade and we got out of it in the same day. It was pretty quick and easy. Got in around 8:45, 9-ish, and then exited as soon as it touched the upper Keltner channel at 47.88-ish, and made about 1.25 points on that trade. Did not take another trade until the 28th. Took the short on SNI and hung on to that one all the way through Friday's close, well, right before Friday's close, and ended up making about 3.25 points on that. So that was a nice trade. That worked out pretty well. All right. Anyway, on to the market update. Right now, we'll start with the futures. Looking at the British pound. It has creeped back up into the lower Keltner channel. As you can see, momentum is pulling back to the upside. Still strong, in the tidal wave down area, and volatility is still pointing down. But have a good chance here of maybe popping up to the middle Keltner channel, or even into the upper half of the Keltner channel this week. So keep an eye on that. The euro, almost identical to the pound, pulled back into the lower Keltner channel. Momentum is waning. Volatility is waning. So, we'll see. Maybe those things will recover a little bit this week. Japanese yen is still in a coma, man. So we're just going to ignore that. It's in the dead zone. The ES has been sort of schizophrenic, popping in and out of the dead zone here until it makes some kind of commitment. I'm not going to get too excited about it. As you can see, it's flashing between blue and red here right as I'm making the video, so that's kind of interesting. But the tidal wave's still pushing to the downside, so that would be where I would be inclined to see it go. The Russell also pointing to a downside move. The Dow, just like the ES, popping in and out of the dead zone. So right now it's in the dead zone, so we're going to ignore that and see what it does on tomorrow. Gold. Gold is kind of consolidating down here below the lower Keltner channel. Tidal wave down, but momentum is waning, so there is a little bit of upside pressure to it. Maybe it will rebound a bit. People are saying, well, geez, I thought this was the safe place to put the money. But, the hedge funds, when they get in trouble and things start selling off and going south, they sell everything, including their gold and silver positions, which is the cause of this particular move to the downside. Here's the silver, which is almost identical to gold. Same kind of a thing. So there we go. Now let's move on to the bellwethers. Google, dead zone. Nothing to do there. Baidu looks like it might be on the mend from its pretty precipitous drop to the lows. Netflix just festering down at the lows. Not much to do there. Apple has dropped into the lower Keltner channel. Interesting, and we have a tidal wave down signal, but the microwave is showing volatility and momentum to the upside. So anybody's guess on this could continue to drop or could pop back up. So just be nimble on your trigger there, boys and girls. RIM just kind of wallowing in the bottom. Wouldn't worry about that for a while. Cisco sideways. Oracle sideways to slightly up. Amazon also sideways to slightly down. Now let's take a peek at our picks for Monday. Your long pick is EE, double E. I am going to set my stop to the low of Friday's bar, and my profit target is the upper Keltner channel. The short for Monday is TXN, Texas Instruments. Going to set my stop to the high of Friday's bar, and my profit target is the lower Keltner channel. Well, that's it for the wrap-up. I will be back at you on Monday night after the market closes and we get to see what happens. Okay, good luck. See you later. Bye.